Go home happy with the 2023 Nissan Rogue. This feature-rich Rogue adds confidence and convenience to everyday life. Standard driver assist safety tech, large cargo capacity, and spacious seating have your back wherever the road may lead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, heated driver's seat, turbocharged engine, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Enjoy the convenience and comfort this Rogue has to offer. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.